Rice is a big deal. It's not just a food, it's a way of life for many. Imagine waking up to the sight of endless green fields, the sun casting a golden hue over the landscape. This is the reality for millions of farmers who dedicate their lives to cultivating this essential crop. It's a staple food for billions around the world. In bustling cities and quiet villages alike, rice finds its way into countless meals. From the spicy biryanis of India to the savory sushi of Japan, rice is a versatile ingredient that transcends borders and cultures. From Asia to Africa, rice is on the plate every day. It's a common thread that connects diverse communities, each with their unique traditions and recipes. In Africa, jollof rice is a beloved dish, while in China, rice is often steamed to perfection and served with a variety of dishes. It's a source of carbohydrates and energy. These tiny grains pack a powerful punch, providing the fuel needed for daily activities. For many, a meal without rice feels incomplete as it forms the foundation of their diet. For many cultures, rice is life. It's woven into the fabric of their traditions and celebrations. Festivals often feature rice dishes, symbolizing prosperity and abundance. In some cultures, rice is even used in rituals and ceremonies, highlighting its significance beyond just sustenance. Growing up, rice was always on our table. It was a constant presence, a comforting reminder of home. Whether it was a simple bowl of steamed rice or a more elaborate dish, it brought the family together, creating memories that last a lifetime. My mom would make it with everything. It was simple food, yet it had a special place in our hearts. She would pair it with vegetables, meats, or even just a bit of soy sauce. No matter how it was prepared, it was always delicious and satisfying, but it's anything but simple to grow. The journey of rice from seed to plate is a labor-intensive process. Farmers work tirelessly, often in challenging conditions, to ensure a successful harvest. They plant the seedlings in waterlogged fields, carefully tending to them as they grow. Getting rice from the field to our table is a long journey. After months of hard work, the rice is harvested and transported to factories where it undergoes processing. This involves removing the husk, polishing the grains, and packaging them for distribution. And it all starts with hard work. The dedication and effort of farmers around the world ensure that we can enjoy this staple food. Their commitment to their craft is a testament to the importance of rice in our daily lives. So the next time you sit down to a meal with rice, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken to reach your plate. Harvesting rice used to be a back-breaking job. For centuries, farmers have toiled in the fields, bending over for hours on end under the relentless sun. The process was labor-intensive and time-consuming, requiring immense physical effort and endurance. Farmers bent over in the hot sun, their bodies straining with each movement. The heat was often unbearable, yet they persevered, driven by the need to provide for their families and communities. They used sickles to cut the rice stalks by hand. This method, though effective, was slow and arduous. Each stroke of the sickle required precision and strength, and the repetitive motion took its toll on the body. This took a long time. The process of manually harvesting rice was painstakingly slow. It could take days, even weeks, to harvest a single field, depending on its size and the number of workers available. And it was hard on the body. I've tried it myself. The physical strain was immense, and many farmers suffered from chronic pain and injuries as a result of their labor. Let me tell you, it's not easy. Even for those who are used to hard work, the task of harvesting rice by hand is a formidable challenge. It requires not only physical strength, but also skill and endurance. Your back aches, your hands get sore. The repetitive motion of cutting rice stalks can lead to blisters and calluses, and the constant bending can cause severe back pain, and the sun beats down on you. The relentless heat adds another layer of difficulty to the already challenging task. Dehydration and heat exhaustion are common risks for those working in the fields. It's honest work, but it's tough. Despite the hardships, farmers take pride in their work. Their determination and resilience are truly admirable, and their efforts are essential to the survival of their communities. That's why things have changed. With the advent of modern technology, the process of harvesting rice has been revolutionized. Machines now do the work that once required dozens of laborers, making the process faster and less physically demanding. We've found better ways to do it. Modern equipment and techniques have not only increased efficiency, but also improved the quality of life for farmers. They can now harvest more rice in less time with less physical strain, allowing them to focus on other important aspects of farming and community life. The combine harvester was a game changer. This machine does it all. It cuts the rice stalks, then it separates the grains from the plant. It's faster and more efficient than doing it by hand. That's the first time I saw a combine in action. I was blown away. It's like a giant mechanical beast just gobbling up the rice, and it doesn't get tired or complain about the heat. It's a beautiful thing to watch. Section 4, Eyes, in the sky drone technology in rice cultivation. These days, farmers are using drones. These drones fly over the rice fields. They take pictures and collect information. This helps farmers see which areas need attention. It's like having a bird's eye view of your entire farm. You can see if the rice is getting enough water. You can even spot diseases before they spread too far. It's incredible how technology is changing the game. Section 5. From field to factory, drying and processing rice. After the harvest, the rice needs to be dried. This crucial step prevents it from spoiling. Big machines blow hot air through the rice. This removes the moisture. Once the rice is dry, it's off to the factory. There it's cleaned and processed. The outer layer of the rice, called the hull, is removed. This is how we get our white rice. Section 6. The future is now robotics and AI in rice production. Technology is always advancing, and rice farming is no exception. We're now seeing robots and AI being used in the fields. Robots can plant and harvest rice. AI can analyze data to improve yields. It's like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's real, and it's making a real difference. These technologies are helping farmers be more efficient and productive. Section 7. High-tech for a staple food, quality and efficiency. In this section, we delve into the fascinating world of modern rice farming, where technology meets tradition to create a more efficient and higher quality product. Modern technology has changed the way we grow rice. From automated planting machines to advanced irrigation systems, the entire process has been revolutionized. These machines ensure that each rice seed is planted at the optimal depth and spacing, which maximizes yield and minimizes waste. It's made the process faster, more efficient, and less labor-intensive. Harvesting, which used to take days and require many hands, can now be done in a matter of hours with the help of modern machinery. These machines not only speed up the process but also reduce the physical strain on farmers, and it's resulted in higher quality rice. Advanced sorting and polishing machines ensure that only the best grains make it to your table. These machines can detect and remove impurities, ensuring that the rice is clean and safe to eat. The rice we eat today is a testament to human ingenuity. Farmers have embraced technology to improve their yields and the quality of their crops. This not only benefits the farmers, but also ensures that consumers get the best possible product. We found ways to use technology to improve our lives. Smart farming technology, such as drones and sensors, allows farmers to monitor their fields in real time. This means they can quickly address any issues, such as pests or diseases, before they become major problems. And that includes putting food on our tables. The advancements in rice farming technology have made it possible to produce more rice with fewer resources. This means that rice is more affordable and accessible to people around the world. So next time you enjoy a bowl of rice, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get there. From the fields to your table, each grain of rice has been carefully cultivated and processed to ensure the highest quality. It's a journey that combines tradition with innovation, and it's something we can all be grateful for.